You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming.
Hey guys, and welcome back into my channel. Today I have a little Milani tutorial for you. A eyeshadow palette tutorial and a blush trio tutorial. And so I didn't want to do a full face, but I just wanted to try out those products for you and show you what I purchased out of the Milani collection, and I'm super impressed by the blendability and the pigmentation of these products. So if you'd like to see how I got this eyeshadow and blush look, stay tuned and we'll jump right into the video. So we are gonna go in with the blush first. Such pretty colors. I'm going to go in with this color on the end with my e.l.f. blush brush. This is a really pretty color actually. I feel like this would really complement any skin tone, and it like really blends well and goes on, and it really has a shimmer to it, like a really, not a shimmer, but like a really subtle, kind of like a iridescent glow. I don't know if you can see that on camera. Good quality, and they seem to blend very well. So now we're going to go ahead and do the eyes with the eyeshadow palette. I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. brush, and I'm going to start with this color right here. Just putting it in the crease. Wow, they really blend so nice. It was like effortless, basically. And really pigmented as well. I can't get over how easily it blends. So nice. And then I am going to take my pencil brush and go in with this taupe color here and just kind of blend that underneath my lower lashes. Next I'm just going to go in with another e.l.f. brush, and I am going to use the darkest color on the end here, and we're going to just go into the outer V area. It's really nice, it blends great. I really like that. Looks nice. And they are really pigmented and blend so nice. Usually when things are more pigmented, it's harder to blend them. I'm just going to go in a little bit darker right here with this darkest shade. I want to kind of layer it and see how well it blends if I keep adding color. I'm actually impressed. I think they blend so well. I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of my eye makeup. I'm just using my Lancome Black Eye crayon. And then I'm going to go in with my Tarte liquid liner. And I have been using this L'Oreal primer on my lashes before I apply my mascara, and this really seems to be helping get those fuller lashes and adds a lot more volume. I usually just put it on and let it dry for a couple seconds. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara in black. So that is it today for this video, guys. I will link all of the products down below, including the products that I didn't show you, such as what I have on my lips. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a like down below, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.